In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Word documents to PDFs using OneDrive in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to secure document formatting or simply need a universal file format, converting Word documents to PDFs is a handy skill to have. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your Microsoft account. To do this, open your web browser and head on over to Microsoft's website. If you don't have an account yet, it's free to create one, and it grants you access to a suite of useful tools, including OneDrive. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top corner where you see the Apps Launcher, represented by a grid of dots. Clicking this will open a menu featuring different Microsoft applications. Look for OneDrive and select it. This will direct you to your OneDrive file storage where you can manage documents and other types of files. Once in OneDrive, you'll want to locate and click on My Files to view all the documents you've stored. Navigate through your folders to find the Word document you wish to convert. If you haven't uploaded it yet, you can simply drag and drop your file into OneDrive. After locating your document, select it by clicking on it. This brings you several options, and you'll want to open the document in the Word app online. This ensures that you have access to the full range of Word's online functionalities directly within your browser. Now that your document is open in Word Online, you will find a File option in the menu bar at the top of the page. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Next, choose Export from the menu. This step is crucial as it will lead you to the option we need. After clicking Export, you will see several formats to choose from, but for our purpose today, select Download as PDF. This will generate a PDF version of your document, maintaining the original formatting as best as possible. You're almost there. A prompt should appear asking if you'd like to download the newly converted document. Go ahead and click Download. Now, your Word document has been successfully converted to a PDF file and is ready for you to use. You can check your Downloads folder on your computer to locate it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've efficiently converted a Word document to PDF using OneDrive. This process ensures that your file stays organized and accessible, and it's perfect for sharing or professional use. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.